Have you ever noticed that every so-called make money online guru is telling you it's very easy to make money online? It's as easy as clicking a button. Just post a few things here and few things there and the money will just start pouring in. But let's get things straight, that's not quite the reality, is it? And I think deep down you already knew that because it all sounds too good to be true. You see, while the model of making money online is simple, you create an offer, you create traffic or eyes that see your offer, and 1% of those eyes will buy from you. Simple, right? But it's not easy in any way. There is actually a reason why so many people start to learn and make money online but never succeed. In this video, I'm going to break down why making money online is so hard, and I will use a little known principle called Price's Law. Stick around because understanding this will be a game changer for you. So here is what we are doing here today. I want to get straight with you with all the challenges that are related to making money online. I want you to understand how hard it is to make money online. And don't worry, in the same time this will motivate you. Stick to the end of this video and see how. I'm doing this because I know it helped me. And this was my first step to my success. And I hope that understanding these principles will help you as well. And understanding this and this simple truth that making money online is hard will actually help you make money online. So make some brew and let's get in. Alright, let's talk about Price's Law. I'm not here to bore you with math, but this one is actually super important and it will be quick. This law is developed by Mr. Price and it actually says, in any field, half of the work or results will come from only a square root of people or contributors. Stay with me. What does that actually mean? Let's put it this way. Imagine 1,000 people want to make money online. Price's Law says that only a square root of people will make half of the all money available. So 31 people will actually make half of the all money that's available. Think about platforms like Etsy or Instagram to make it simpler. There are thousands of new sellers that come on those platforms every day, but only 1.3% of all the sellers actually make half of all the money available on those platforms. The rest, well, they are just fighting for the other half of the money. Imagine it's like going to open mic and there is 100 people participating. Some of them are good, some of them are average, some of them are below average, but only one or two are great and get all the applause and even the prizes. So you might be thinking, okay, that's all good, I understand it now, but how is that motivating me to even start making money online? First off, unlike most other organizations or your career choices, you are not competing against a local group of people. You are competing against the whole world. That's a good thing. Imagine, on Instagram there is 3 billion users or 2 billion users every day. If you apply Price's Law, there is some money to be made by an average person or you and me. I'm not saying that you cannot be in a top 1.3%. I just want you to realize that it's hard because all those money gurus are lying to you and they are just selling courses. I will sell courses, but I want you to understand how hard this game is and that most people don't succeed online. It's like 99% of people, 98.7% of people will never see a very life-changing generational income online. Imagine you are selling a digital product, which I teach, like a course or an ebook. You are selling it to the whole world. You are not selling it to people in your area. You are selling it to a lot more. But at the same time, a lot more people are selling similar digital products. So you need to stand out. The only thing you can do is develop more skills. Skill development is the most important thing if you want to make money online. And you can start learning right now. Because you have to be aware that the top 1.3% of everything they do is not just random or luck. They have skills to be there. They are maybe born with it, but most of them learned it. They learned how to create good content, they learned how to target the right audience, they learned what digital products to create, they learned how to automate most of their business. They learned a lot. Most of them learned through years and years of experience. Biggest mentors I have are in this business for 15, 20 years. Imagine 20 years. Let me give you a quick story. Imagine someone's trying to lose weight. They go to the gym, they buy the equipment, the proteins, the whey, the whole shebang. They even go on a diet, but after a few weeks they are very frustrated. They don't look or feel different, except they are hungry. Now meanwhile, the people who have succeeded in any fitness or lose weight experience, they took years. They were consistent. They went to the gym 3 times a week for a year until starting to see results. Making money is similar. It's not about hitting goals as soon as possible. It's about consistency, showing up. Keep up the work, working beside your 9 to 5, and if you do that consistently for 6 months or a year, you will definitely see results. You will not be in 1.3%, let me get this straight, but you will see results. And some people will even have enough results to quit their job, and then you have a full time to come to your goals in 3 or 5 years, on 10 years, and really make your life easier. They all say consistency is key, but I want you to understand that it's really a key. My Instagram account is growing like a snail. I have 16 followers in 30 days, but I keep grinding. I post every single day, because if I stop now, I will never succeed on that Instagram account. And that is a simple truth. You have to understand that. Those top earners, they didn't do an overnight success. It seems like it. They all have this story: I was an electrician for 9 years and then suddenly I made $1 million a year. It's not that simple. They don't show you the whole truth. So yes, making money online is hard. To tell you the truth, if it was that easy, how some people are trying to show you, everybody would do it, and you will have another problem. But here's the thing, knowing the reality is actually a good thing for you. Most people will quit because they don't achieve instant results. But when you know there is no instant results, you will not quit. You will stay consistent, and you are on a good path to actually succeed. If you're willing to commit, to keep showing up every day, to stay consistent, you are on a good way to someday, in some years, become top 1.3% in making money online. It might not be fast, it might not be easy as somebody is telling you, but with consistency, I promise you, you will do it. You will make extra money online. If this hit all the right buttons, make sure to subscribe, because this channel is all about truth and authenticity.